Yeah, hello everyone. So you're welcome back. Yeah, I'm back. I'm back. Yeah. You see Abani Aba. Yeah, I'm saying now meant to drop videos this yeah, but you see Abani Aba. So what you say? Yabani Aba. Yabani Aba. Abandon Aba. Yeah, now me be a video for a yeah I'm sending video where how to get a US address for shipping and get it delivered to you in Ghana at your doorstep. Yeah, me yeah, now man for my comments. Me encourage your comments nibi. Man for my comments. Okay, wait there. Please next video a patch me ya mamo. So what you say? Man for just the reliability near there. So what you say? Internet say Ushuma. Yeah, a man for be anka. The move feel say like almost ship money at a free US. Yeah. But my cause some stores be like Amazon, there are a lot of stores, eBay near the ade. Yeah, Uber Corona like new mano. Yeah, ultimate shipping bagana. Yeah, ultimate shipping bagana. And I even so shipping bagana crana. Ayana it's canon bejono efsodo. So what I say efsodo. But Amazon say sometimes you can enjoy a free shipping in the US. Yeah, o shipping ko US na they free. Yeah. And and then we'll be talking about a new shipping company that is what bow so Ghana for so what you say. Any new there, but after I discover into a new to me, a new company to me. Yeah, and you better have Aquantuo shipping, Aquantuo shipping. Nice, Aquantuo shipping. No. Aquantuo shipping. Yeah, Aquantuo shipping. Aquantuo shipping. So it's the open search is o ship on you free a year UK, Canada, US. You don't have to worry. Just say, the open source shipping down Corana. Oh dear, the only answer over Aquantuo website. No, Aquantuo website and sign it up. O sign up just say you be more address in case o pese o ship e besi so a ship so o ship so a o me be bro fe say come I'm the bro fe so pese o ship car kwa na o me be si container my bro then na pese o ship e be na pese o ship e bia private jet near the ade yacht the opposite ship bia no Aquantuo e di be bro yeah and the yan say come website no so no sign up keke aquantuo.com yeah Aquantuo.com. Yeah. Aquantuo.com. Yeah, anyone. Aquantuo.com. Papa ni yeah, for be Aquantuo.com. Yeah. And you know, sign it up. Yeah, sign it up. So what you say? Into sign it up. Yeah, e be a open address now in case we are shipping now. We be shipping your money no. We dashboard. Yeah. No, called dashboard. Dashboard. Into dashboard unyama beba. So what you say? Into realize your price estimator na just hope so in case o ship bibia no cost near the other no price estimator so what I say ana mama card we yeah ebia na like Aquantuo to bet ma to bibia ma remember say wo adibia o person wo to remember say e US so what I say the only answer send the Aquantuo list no ni fiscal account so what you say Aquantuo shipping so man can be to add there e dey abrew fee so what you say umpe without pay man can be to add no e dey abrew fee so what you say enti yan koso me be me can sabe bre so what you say you see am be videos na eti so price estimator no say na maka no yeah in case you so shipping now be no like price ni be bia price estimator na be adwuma na ma yeah ana opeso address in case o ye shipping na o create account o ye shipping na so what you say address a do be na e bia o ship ya ko Canada e bia shop no ko no o ship ko Canada F near the other so and I say they ship only to Canada maybe UK and the US so you want to know your address opeso address o be shipping so call dashboard no so o call dashboard no so o sign up here my Aquantuo addresses so what you say my Aquantuo addresses until we want say my Aquantuo addresses no addressing the war yeah until see I know show much say oh my god yes yeah address my US address so what you say my US address in the go no yeah mini US by my US address in case some person me ship na this is so pa yes and the one we could say Ghana so what you say my Canada address in Sunni so what you say until no yeah UK address in Sunni China address can buy name say China address no more you know is but right now the name say Canada Canada UK and US yeah now we say no almost shop we here we say no almost shop we here oh am I in your that journey yeah almost office sorry omo offices wo in Kranyu Kumasi Accra and Kumasi na Accra okwa ubenyo omo 5th Tulip New Okaiman West na say mochinya ira kwan Kumasi ade mo adanyame ya Kumasi adanyame ya na mo so ati ase entino kono sign up so ati ase Aquantuo so waba no waba kono sign up so ati ase na ship onioma no ship onioma no enti I'll be making my next video request say how to do the shopping no like on the US shops near the adeno enti me no so ati ase enti no onia but subscribe button no so ati ase boso mami e be hia me pan boso mami so thank you guys for watching.